I've got a question for the Americans. That who did you vote for? Did you vote for United States of America or you voted for Israel? Because your hard-earned money, your tax is being used to serve the interest of Israelis, not the American taxpayers. Instead of relaxing the rate of interest and inflation, America is about to go on war with Iran again. Have we ever thought about this? That why Donald Trump is in so much hurry to attack Iran? We all kind of know that. Epstein files, yes, if he does not attack Iran, the more files will reveal against him that what kind of services he was getting from the Jeffrey Epstein. So, if he doesn't do that, he will get kicked by the Mossad. Yes.